Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I am telling you a very interesting wakya about Holy Prophet peace be upon him, that how Holy Prophet peace be upon him fixed the black stone whose famous name is hajr aswad with the help of a sheet of cloth. I am also telling you that there was need to fix the hajr aswad. There was a need because the Hajr-e-Aswad was at low valley of Quran and always flooded by rainwater. Always flooded by rainwater. To overcome this problem, the people of the Makkah decided to rebuild it, and this step was taken. So let's start the video. The Kaaba is situated at the lower part in the valley of Faran and was always flooded by rainwater. The people of Makkah tried various methods to stop this flooding, but their all efforts failed and the building was damaged by floods. They therefore decided to rebuild it. The task of rebuilding the Kaaba was divided among the leading families of Makkah, and work was completed in harmony without any dispute. But when the time came to place the black stone over Hajr-e-Aswad in its proper place, a dispute arose among the chiefs of Makkah. A dispute arose among the chief of Makkah. Everyone wanted the honor of placing the holy stone in its proper place. There was a very fear of bloodshed, but when the proposal came from a wise old man who said that the first person who entered the Kaaba the following morning should decide the issue, his suggestion was accepted by all the members. Next morning, the first person who entered the Kaaba was Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, who was at the time was 35 years old. The people of Makkah agreed to accept his decision. Agreed to accept his decision. He asked the leaders of the different families of Quraysh to hold the four corners of a sheet of cloth which he spread on the ground. Then he placed the black stone in the middle of the sheet. The black stone was placed in the middle of the sheet, and then he asked to lift it up together. When the sheet reached the proper height, he lifted the black stone and laid it in the place with his own hands. Thus, an explosive situation was resolved peacefully by the wisdom and foresight of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Hope so. The video was interested. If you got interested, like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell
Bell
icon.
icon and Allah Hafiz.